White sauce recipe, a versatile base for culinary magic. Craving the creamy richness of macaroni and cheese, the layered perfection of lasagna, or the comforting warmth of chicken pot pie. The secret to these dishes lies in a simple yet powerful staple: white sauce. Master this recipe, and you'll have the foundation to create countless meals that delight the palate and nourish the soul. This guide will walk you through everything you need to know about white sauce, from its ingredients to creative uses. Let's dive into the creamy world of possibilities. What is white sauce? White sauce, or Béchamel, is one of the 5 mother sauces in French cuisine. Its classic preparation starts with a roux, a cooked mixture of equal parts butter and flour. Whole milk is gradually whisked into the roux, transforming it into a smooth, luscious sauce that serves as the base for many recipes. Pro tip: add a pinch of nutmeg to your white sauce for a traditional Béchamel twist, elevating its flavor with subtle warmth and spice. Ingredients you'll need. This recipe requires just 3 simple ingredients you likely already have. Butter, 2 tablespoons. All-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons. Milk, 1 cup or more for desired consistency. These pantry staples come together to create a rich, creamy sauce in under 15 minutes. How to make white sauce. Step-by-step instructions. Melt butter. In a small saucepan, melt the butter over medium-low heat. Make the roux. Gradually whisk in the flour until a thick paste forms. Stir and cook for about 5 to 7 minutes until the roux turns golden. Add milk. Slowly whisk in the milk, stirring continuously to prevent lumps. Cook for about 5 minutes until the sauce thickens to your liking. Adjust consistency. Add more milk if the sauce is too thick, whisking until smooth. Serve and enjoy. Your white sauce is ready to elevate your dish. What can you do with white sauce? White sauce is incredibly versatile. Here are some popular dishes and variations. Macaroni and cheese. Add shredded cheddar for a creamy, cheesy delight. Lasagna. Layer it with pasta, meat, and cheese for a hearty classic. Chicken pot pie. Use it as a base for the filling, adding chicken and vegetables. Country gravy. Season with black pepper and sausage drippings for a southern-style treat. Transform your white sauce. Take your white sauce to the next level with these variations. Cream sauce. Add heavy cream for a richer, silkier consistency. Mornay sauce. Stir in Gruyere and Parmesan for a decadent cheese sauce. Soubise sauce. Blend in pureed sautéed onions for a sweet, savory twist. Can you make white sauce ahead of time? While white sauce is best served fresh, it can be made ahead. Store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. To reheat, warm it on the stove, adding a splash of milk if necessary to restore its creamy texture. Nutrition facts. Here's the nutritional breakdown for 1 serving of white sauce. Based on 8 servings, calories, 48. Total fat, 4g, 4% daily value. Saturated fat, 2g, 11%. Cholesterol, 10 milligrams, 3%. Sodium, 33 milligrams, 1%. Total carbohydrate, 3g, 1%. Protein, 1g, 2%. Percent daily values are based on a 2,000 calorie diet. Your needs may vary. Why you'll love this recipe? Quick and easy. Ready in just 15 minutes. Customizable. A canvas for countless flavor variations. Crowd-pleasing. Loved by kids and adults alike. A few final tips. Prevent lumps. Whisk continuously while adding milk to the roux. Go for fresh ingredients. Use high-quality butter and milk for the best flavor. Experiment. Don't be afraid to try new seasonings or variations to suit your taste. Whether you're making a cozy chicken pot pie for family dinner or experimenting with a gourmet Mornay sauce for a dinner party, this white sauce recipe is your key to culinary success. Start with these basics and let your creativity shine in the kitchen. Your next meal just got creamier. Bon appetit!